Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 817423. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show your computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the Ostrog GT Blue. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you've ordered. Now that your computer is booted up, let's take a better look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Asetek 570LC liquid cooling unit that is cooling an AMD FX-6350 processor. Beside that, you have 16 GB of Corsair Vengeance 1600 MHz RAM that is being cooled by a Blue Kingston HyperX memory cooler. For your graphics card, you selected the AMD Radeon R9 290X. Below that, we have your ASUS Zonar DX 7.1 sound card, and for networking, you selected a 1300 megabits per second network adapter. Powering your system is a Corsair RM750, and for storage, you selected a Western Digital 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive, along with a secondary 500 GB hard drive, and both hard drives are being cooled by aluminum hard drive coolers. Above that, we have the control panel for your NZXT Hue lighting system. Taking a look at the front of your computer, starting from the top, you have your power button, your reset button, and your LED switch. Below that, we have your Blu-ray reader, DVD writer, and your AeroCool V12 XT fan controller. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have two USB 2.0 ports, a PS2 port, optical out, two USB 3.0 ports, your Republic of Gamers Connect and USB BIOS flashback button, four USB 2.0 ports, two eSATA, two more USB 3.0 ports, two USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet, and your various audio jacks. Below that, we have the ports for your graphics card. You have two DVI, HDMI, and display. And below that, we have the ports for your sound card. Now, when plugging in any audio devices, you do not want to use the motherboard above, you want to use the ports in your sound card below. At the very bottom, we have the antennas for your wireless adapter. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. Going into File Explorer, you'll see your 1TB hard drive along with your secondary 500 GB hard drive. In System Properties, for your processor, you have the AMD FX-6350 with 16 GB of RAM, and for your operating system, you have Windows 8.1. Going into Device Manager, you'll see your AMD Radeon R9 290X graphics card, your 1300 megabits per second network adapter, and your ASUS Zonar DX 7.1 sound card. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Heaven. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com.